Well, welcome everyone to this last session, which focuses on sustainability and capturing the full value of forests. Now, just before we progress with this session, I've just been asked to just let everyone know that on the GCFF website, there are tech notes and a wealth of other resources on things like the accelerator trials and a range of other studies that we've undertaken. And there's also GCFF newsletters in the package that you receive at registration as well. So with that stuff out of the way, as you've heard today, there are many opportunities to understand and increase the productivity of a given forest. However, in order for us to maintain both our licence to operate and the long-term productivity of a site, the interventions that we choose need to be sustainable from environmental and social perspectives. So, sustainable forest management seeks to minimise forest degradation while increasing the direct benefits forests can provide to people and the environment. The framework illustrated here incorporates various concepts that are critical to the conservation of forest ecosystems so that they can continue to provide benefits for current and future generations. Now, efforts to increase forest productivity need to be considered in terms of frameworks such as this one in order to ensure that social and environmental impacts are understood and can be minimised. So overall, New Zealand forests are in a good position for sustainable management. We're aligned with numerous international initiatives to sustainably manage forests, such as those listed here. Now, our key issue, given our focus on productivity, is to ensure that intensification and sustainability continue to be balanced in our forest estates. So, maintaining the sustainability of planted forests enables our estate to continue to provide timber, but it also enables other benefits such as avoided erosion, habitat provision, and recreation. So the full value of planted forest ecosystem services is difficult to measure, and particularly those non-market benefits. However, quantifying this value is vital as it allows the benefits from economic, social, and environmental outcomes to be both understood and recognised. So considerable research has been undertaken in the GCFF program to understand the full value of forests and to ensure that future intensification is sustainable. So this session will follow the outline that you see here, working its way through the forest cycle in order to answer some key questions. So with regard to harvesting impacts on steeplands, so how can we manage the risk of erosion and the window of vulnerability? Considering water quantity and quality, how will water usage be impacted by planting forests, and can fertiliser be applied to forest stands without compromising water quality? The issue of long-term sustainability, how much nutrient can be exported at harvest from a site and still allow sustainable productivity over multiple rotations? And lastly, we consider the full value of forests. Can we quantify the environmental and social benefits that our plantations provide? Fortunately, today we have a panel of experts to walk us through these issues, and we'll start by discussing options to reduce harvesting impacts in steepland forests.